A double power shock for residents of Delhi. The Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission has announced a hike in electricity tariff. The DERC announced the hike ranging from 10 paise per unit to 1 rupee per unit. In Delhi, consumers using up to 200 units of power per month will have to just shell out 10 paise more per unit. Those in the highest consuming bracket of over 800 units and over 1,200 units will have to pay 1 rupee 10 paisa extra per unit. Now, giving partial relief, the DERC has also announced there will be no power surcharge in the bills. Power surcharge of 8% was being levied on consumers by the DISCOMs. That goes immediately after the hike. The new and the old rates are as follows. The hike is 8.32% for 3 private DISCOMs in the capital, while it's 9.32% hike for the NDMC areas. The DERC, however, claims that removal of power surcharge will lead to lower bills for Delhiites. The commission has also said those consuming up to 200 units will actually get a relief of 28 rupees per quarter, while those consuming up to 400 units will get a relief of 65 rupees per quarter. Those consuming up to 800 units will get a relief of 12 rupees is what PD Sudhakar, Chairman, Delhi Electricity Board said. Let's listen in.
इसमें बेसिकली लेट मी टेल यू कि इफेक्टिवली there will be very marginal effect on some of the consumers, and on the 70% of domestic consumers up to the 400 units, their bill will get reduced actually in effect. हाँ, वो कैसे दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन.
देख लीजिए पेज,
देखिए अभी देखिए, हाँ देखिए, प्रेजेंटली एक क्वार्टरली सरचार्ज लगाया जाता है जो पीपीएसी है, पावर परचेज एडजस्टमेंट. वो अभी पीपीएसी 6 से लेके 8% तक चल रहा है. एनडीएमसी एरिया में नहीं है, लेकिन बाकी तीनों डिस्कॉम में, एक डिस्कॉम में 6% है, एक में 7% है, एक में 8% है. वो पीपीएसी आज से ख़त्म हो जाएगा. नहीं, आज की अभी ख़त्म हो गया फ़िलहाल. तो ये पीपीएसी जो भी होता है, ये जो बीच में पावर की कॉस्ट में कोई एडिशनल चेंज होता है, फ्यूल सरचार्ज होता है जनरेशन कंपनी का, कोल या पेट्रोल या किसी वजह से, उसके कारण से लगाया जाता है. तो आगे अगर पूरे साल में कभी कोई किसी प्राइस की एडिशनल कॉस्ट की आता है तो वो तो अभी फ़िलहाल कुछ नहीं है, वो तो बाद की बात है. फ़िलहाल ये पीपीएसी इतना कम हो गया, 6 से 8% जिस भी लग रहा है वो ख़त्म हो गया है. और जो इंक्रीज़ किया गया है स्लैब वाइज, वो जो 0 से 200 की स्लैब है और 200 से 400 की स्लैब है, उनके में 2.5% का इंक्रीज़ हुआ है. जो 390 था 0 से 200 का, उसका 400 हो गया, 10 पैसे बढ़ा है, विच इज़ 2.5%. और 200 से 400 का 580 था, वो 595 हो गया है, 15 पैसा उसमें बढ़ा है, विच इज़ अगेन 2.5%. तो उनका जैसे 8% अगर पीपीएसी लग रहा था जो हट गया, उसके बजाय 2.5% बढ़ गया. तो नेट इफ़ेक्ट उसका होगा कि उनका बिल कम हो जाएगा. और 400 यूनिट तक के जो कंज्यूमर्स हैं वो रफली 70% ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक कंज्यूमर्स हैं.
नहीं, 800 तक भी कम हो जाएगा अगर आप देखें.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा हमने इस बार एक नई स्लैब और इंट्रोड्यूस की है. अभी तक जो स्लैब थी 400 से 800, उसके बाद अबव 800. अब हमने किया है 400 से 800, फिर एक 800 से 1200 की एक स्लैब और है, और 1200 के ऊपर की अलग स्लैब है. क्योंकि जो ज़्यादा कंजम्पशन करते हैं, मान लीजिए किसी के यहाँ 10 एसी काम कर रहे हैं और जो बहुत हैवी कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं और बहुत हाई इनकम ग्रुप में हैं, तो दे शुड मीट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द एक्सपेंसिव पावर. तो उनके स्लैब्स में थोड़ा बढ़ाया गया है. हालांकि जो 800 यूनिट तक भी जो लोग कंज्यूम करेंगे, उस स्लैब का भी बिल कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो सरचार्ज हटने के बाद जो इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है उसको देखते हुए ये हमने एक सैम्पल कैलकुलेशन इसमें दिया है. लास्ट में एक एनेक्सर लगा हुआ है,
31, 32 देखिए,
वो आपको उसमें मिल जाएगा. तो बेसिकली ये जो भी अभी रिवीजन हुआ है, इसका इफ़ेक्ट डोमेस्टिक में बिल्कुल बहुत मिनिमल होगा. डोमेस्टिक में भी जो 800 यूनिट तक का जिनका कंजम्पशन है उनका बिल अभी कम हो जाएगा, बढ़ने कोई उनका बिल बढ़ेगा नहीं। इसके अलावा एक जो टाइम ऑफ डे टैरिफ है वो अभी लग रहा है डोमेस्टिक को छोड़ के बाकी सभी पे लग रहा है, तो वो कंटिन्यू रहेगा, डोमेस्टिक पे नहीं लगेगा। और डोमेस्टिक के अलावा जो बाकी पे लग रहा है वो 100 किलोवाट तक के कंज्यूमर्स पे लग रहा है अभी, उसको रिड्यूस करके हमने 50 किलोवाट कर दिया है। तो 50 किलोवाट से ऊपर जितने भी डोमेस्टिक के अलावा जो कंज्यूमर्स हैं उनको टाइम ऑफ डे टैरिफ उन पे अप्लाई होगा। और 25 किलोवाट और 50 किलोवाट के बीच में अगर कोई कंज्यूमर ऑप्ट करना चाहे तो उसको ऑप्शन है, अगर कोई टाइम ऑफ डे मीटरिंग अवेल करना चाहे, उसका बेनिफिट लेना चाहे तो उसको ये अलाउड है, बट इट इज़ नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर हिम। नहीं।
And headlines today's Jugal Purohit now joins me with the latest. Jugal, for the residents of Delhi, it's a double whammy. Atir Khan joins me with the latest now. Atir, it's a double whammy for residents of Delhi. You pay more, but you're still not assured of continuous power supply. What about transmission and distribution losses? There is no word on that.
Absolutely, that is the question indeed, that Delhi has been reeling under erratic power supply. There is shortage of coal as well. So in the present circumstances, this announcement has come as a shock, though there are some relief which is for the 3 months. Readjustment charges have been done away with, but then again after 3 months we'll have to bear the cost for that. But then if you see the tariff increase in tariff, it is on the progression basis. The more the consumption, the more the increase in tariff. The announcement has been made, if people who are using domestic below 800 units, then their bill will be on the lower side. But really we'll have to wait and watch how things unfold. Clearly Delhi has been reeling under erratic power supply during recent past. Gaurav.
Okay. Now what Mr. Sudhakar was saying, that they're trying to get power from Sasan in Madhya Pradesh at a much cheaper rate. Do we have details? And if so, by when, and when does that translate into a lower tariff? That's point one. And point two, there is no word on penalizing DISCOMs for distribution losses and power theft.
Well, that's right. There needs to be several reforms which need to be put in place to ensure that transmission losses have been a major problem for Delhi as far as power supplies is concerned, and the cost is borne by the consumers. So that continues to be as it is. But as far as power is concerned, it has to be taken from the neighboring places. We do not know, Gaurav, as of yet, how soon there'll be relief to us with the power sharing. But clearly, the situation is quite difficult. We also know that the coal supply is limited, and the Power Minister has also made an announcement that coal will be imported to make for the deficit.
Arvinder Singh Lovely, the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee chief, they're saying it's a double whammy for the residents of Delhi. There is acute power shortage, load shedding, and on top of that, power tariff has been increased. Let me quickly bring in headlines today's Ashish Maharshi. Ashish, make sense of this for us. Now, there is an 8.3% increase. At the same time, Mr. Sudhakar is also saying that an 8% surcharge has been removed. So, in effect, power tariff really hasn't gone up for those who are using up to 800 megawatts of power in Delhi. But he's completely silent on transmission and distribution losses and on better management by DISCOMs.
Very true, Gaurav. In fact, if you see, there is a company called Delhi Transco Limited, which is actually responsible for carrying power from the production station to the distribution companies. And we know, we recently saw, the Power Minister Piyush Goyal had himself said that the infrastructure is not in place. But at the same time, DERC is an autonomous body. It is a regulator, and the regulator decides on the price increase, whether it is required or not. As far as I understand, in fact, the DERC, the power company, especially BSES and Tata Power, which is operating in Delhi, they have been asking for a hike for quite some time. But then we know that hike of electricity price is very politically sensitive, and that is why you need a recommendation from the state government. But this was the opportune time for to increase the price, because there is no state government, and the BJP can accuse the Congress and the Congress can accuse the BJP,
Yes.
and the same with Aam Aadmi Party. But at the same time, if you see, Gaurav, the most important aspect here is that if the surcharge is removed, yes, if you consume less, you pay less. This is the formula DERC has followed. So certainly, if you consume up to 800 units, the bill is going to be altogether, almost what it is going to be earlier. But then, reducing the surcharge would mean that the power companies will get more money into their
Yes.
pocket. And yes, whatever the power companies wanted, that is what they've got. But then the electricity
Exactly. Nobody is thinking of the consumer. It's the discoms, it's the power companies that get to rake in the money without improving their administration. For the moment, Ashish Maharshi, many thanks for joining me. Politics over power. You just heard the Congress, you've heard the BJP. Now listen into the Aam Aadmi Party. They were protesting against this power hike. They say in Delhi, the best situation was just when they were in power. Let's listen in to Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh.